freebies in Singapore.
Hey guys, it's just for...
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Princess. And we're now here in Singapore! So right now, dito lang kami ngayon sa Changi Airport. Right now, tinatry namin yung mga rides here at Canopy Park. Yes, yung mga slides and yung mga activities na meron dito. So let's go! For our first stop, we're just gonna ride, or we're gonna try yung slide namin na to. Saan ganon? How are you gonna hold the GoPro? Nakabahan ako kasi parang medyo mataas. I'm gonna video from here. Wait lang. Mali! Mali! Saan ka? Saan ko yun? Masakit. Yeah. What's yung balls ko? Hindi na. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. Ang iyap naman ang slide na to. Di ako prepare. So, this is our lunch. I think this is pork. And that's also pork. Pork din. I think so. Sa inyo guys, kung pork or chicken, comment down below. That looks so good, you guys. Yeah, I love pork kasi. I'm so hungry na. Anyway, we're just gonna eat here. Okay guys, kakatapos lang namin dun sa
Vogue.
Tapos na kami dun sa expo. Nakabili sila ng shoes nila. Pero ako, wala pa ako nakikita na gusto kong bilhin. Actually, I'm not really sure kung ano yung bibilhin ko talaga. Kung ano yung need ko. Pero siguro magtingin ako sa mga drugstore na makeup. And pasalubong.
I think it's so late.
Isa pa nga. Ito ba shake? Di ko parang ito nga shake. Dili ka ako naman. Ikaw lang nagalaw.
Practice, practice. Nahihilo na ako, guys. Boost. Oh, this one. Oh my God. You're a joker, ha? Yung foundation mo!
Okay guys, update. It's 5:23 p.m. and we're here in Orchards. Right now, we're just lining up because we're gonna buy yung famous na ice cream here in Singapore. Naka-sandwich siya. Nag-increase na siya ng price before nung pumunta kami here way back to 1981. Alam, tagal. Way back ilang years na.
Patingin ako dun na.
$1 lang siya. Sige, 1.50 na. Kung na mag-order mo daw, kinakabahan ako. Oo,
Ayan, ikaw na mag-order pa yan.
Nalilito ako eh. Ano? Peppermint choco chip.
Choc chip.
Choco chip. Choco chip. Choco chip. Choco chip, choco chip, choco chip.
Kasi kay Casey.
Choco chip. Nakakabahan ako mag-order guys. Baka mamali ako. Baka mabigay sa akin spaghetti imbis na ice cream. 4 choco chip with rainbow bread. Then 1 mango not available. Okay, si walang mango. Okay, okay, so 5 choco chip with rainbow bread. Then 1 peppermint choco chip with the wafer. Yeah. Na-pressure ako. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama. Tama yung order ko. Yeah. Thank you.
Bread, I was not that bread. Bread, huh?
Smells so good!
Hey guys, it's just for $1.50.
So that's roughly around 40 pesos. 70? 60?
60.
I don't know. Kaya mo na kami good. Parang di ka siya. Today we're here again in Universal. Woo! Galing kami Malaysia, then we went here para lang talaga sa Universal. So, yeah, we're just gonna vlog the rest of the day. The goal is to try every ride this time. So I'm so excited to vlog. I'm here with Casey. What are your expectations? First day of
I wanna
class.
try the human, please.
Let's see later if we're gonna try it. Oh, si Kung Fu Panda.
Cool.
Kung Fu Panda. Lizzie, say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog. We're gonna ride the mommy. Nagulat na lang siya. Hi Alex, say hi to my vlog.
Oh.
Thank you, thank you. Bye. Ay, sige po. Okay, it's me again. Piling kinausap. Okay, finally we're gonna ride the Elmo ride. Elmo ride. Spaghetti and carbonara. Parang feel ko konti na lang yung diet. Spaghetti! Ba't naman si na mami? Parang ibang planet na po. Guys, kakatapos na namin sa Elmo. Ayun, nakita namin si Bert bigla. Ayun na siya, guys. Wala na post yan eh. We're gonna ride lights, camera, action. Because we're actors and actresses. Hello, oh my gosh! Kakatapos lang namin sa lights, camera, action. Or the action will camera lights you. We're gonna ride the Transformers na kasi we're gonna transform in a while. We're gonna ride. I'm so excited sa Transformers. Ito yung parang isa sa mga favorite ride ko dito.
I'm not gonna ride that.
You're gonna ride that? Oh, I mean, let's ride the mommy na lang instead of that. We're here in Malaysia. We're here outside the Universal Studio. So we're gonna hit. Wait. Kasi inisip ko here tsaka eat. So pag sabi ko we're gonna eat here for our lunch before we ride the rides. Ang hirap pag-vlog na yun. Parang kailangan informative. At pag-travel, parang hindi pwede punchline na lang lagi. Interview some of the locals here. Let's go inside. Let's check what's inside. You can see may low pressure air na gaganap dahil medyo nasa stress sila at hindi nila maintindihan. I think nangyayari. Lazy. Natawa siya sa'yo. What's your favorite ride sa Universal? My favorite ride sa Universal is It's a Small World. Kasi sa Disneyland yun. Yun ang sakyan ko. Okay, all day. Let's go. Nicole, are you gonna ride that one?
Not sure. Let's see.
No, you're gonna ride that. Finally, we're gonna ride the human roller coaster. Ay, it's sure na. Medyo parang uulan, so medyo worried kami kung baka umulan, di ba ako mag-ride. Pero right now, we're going to human! Okay guys, we're done dun sa Jurassic na roller coaster and sa parang water something na Jurassic. And now, we are here na. It started raining na, so we are wearing our bucket hats. Woo!
But it's okay.
Nabasa din naman kami kanina. So we're just gonna ride yung parang boots something. Yeah, that one. Let's go. Uy! Wait lang guys, kitang-kita yung payo. Go. Okay, I'm so excited. You can't I'm not sure if allowed yung phone, pero if hindi allowed, dadalhin ko pa din. Ayan. I'm a rule breaker, or the breaker will rule me. Para Jurassic din ito ah. Guys, we're stranded. Guys, parang naliligo na ako sa ulan dito. Yung cup ko iniwan ko pa. As you can see, naiwan kami dito. So baka doon na din ako matulog, everyone. Good night. Pasag-pasag. Hi guys! We're here in Vivo City! Guys, hi kayo sa vlog ko. Hi! Nakahabol na guys si Rain. Hello! Where are we?
I am Penny.
Parang formal. Where are we, Lizzie? Where are we? I am Penny. Yeah, perfect. Where are we po? Ay, charot. So we're gonna have our dinner here before kami sunduin nung... Inulit naman sinabi ko. Before kami sunduin nung service namin sa... I mean, going back... Ano daw? I think lagay nyo na subtitle to. Ay, thank you po. Try this soup. Laro, bulalo nga! Next week. Okay, update guys. This is our last day na here in Singapore. So, we're at Bugis because we're gonna buy pasalubong. What? Papahan ko kaya our cherry pie. Let me know kung kailan siya. Oh my god guys, meron din sila dito. Ito yung mga gusto ko. Laro. Ala, ito yung gusto ko. Na-excite ako. 2 for 10. Magkano yung $10? 400. So, 200 isa. Ito yung mga gusto kong bilhin. Yung mga popping cookings. Ayan. Before, ito yung mga binibili ko yung hamburger, di ba? Pero meron na silang mga bago. Ama, pipiliin ko na to. Ano yan? Ayan yung pasalubong?
Yes.
Mas ba?
8 chocolates for my friend.
So, ang kaibigan ko na. Pero ang nabigyan ko lang siya, no?
Hala, narinig ka sa vlog ko.
Kasama yun, ah.
Ay, sino kayo hindi masasama?
Ito, this is my second try to get a freebie here in Singapore. So, we will try to buy 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll try to ask for another freebie. No freebie again?
Ako po rin, may chocolate.
Oh, freebie! Finally! Woo! Winner! Thank you!
Nag-work
See you in the Philippines! Mabuhay! Okay, so now I'm gonna buy favorite kong crispy crepe here in Singapore. Guys, alam nyo ba, insert ko yung picture ko dito nung bumili ako dito. Pero, ibang location nila before eh. So, I think nag-branch out sila. I think ito na yung second branch. So, I can't wait to visit their different branches here in Singapore. Kung ano-ano na sinasabi ko. Crispy crepe to naman. Insert niyo yung picture ko nung bumili ako ng crispy crepe ah. Parang siya din yung nagluluto nun. Ang bango. Okay na yan, kuya. Mix mo na agad.
Dito kanina kaya mahingi tayo freebie to.
More banana. Can you put more sprinkles or something? Before, nag-try kami ng kaya toast. Ang sarap. Kaya nag-crepe naman ako. Looks like banana.
Napatingin. Naiintindihan ka na rin.
Ay, salak! Nahulog na!
Guys!
Nag-crack! Good! Okay, so we bought some keychains and magnet, and then he gave
Freebie.
us free keychain. I got the green one. Yay! Meron akong green, guys.
Dalawa na yung freebie natin for today.
Ano na to? Trick or treat talaga to, guys. Trick or treat. Halloween. Nag-ahap kami ng mga libreng freebie. Libreng freebie. Ayoko na daw. Sinautan ako ng kala. Hey! Rockstar.
Para partner tayo.
star kulay
Freebie?
Bumili guys ako ng F1 na Singapore shirt. 2 for $30 siya. And I'll ask for more freebie. More freebie?
Happy family!
Yay! More More freebie. Thank you. Thank you. We'll come back here again.
How old is two?
20.
19.
Okay, marry my son.
Where's your son?
Bye-bye. Grabe. Itong title na to, How to Get Freebies in Singapore. Thank you.